Right. IGF-1 LR3 is going to be a top peptide in your insulin-like growth factor peptides. This one stimulates and it mimics growth hormone completely. The one with LR3 is actually going to be a long-chain arginine, which is the IGF-1 LR3. Why it's so important and more people are using it for weight loss, decrease in body fat percentage, increased strength, lean body mass, is going to be it inhibits an inhibitory neurotransmitter that actually makes it 120 times stronger. So a little bit of science, if somatostatin decreases its inhibitory transmitter, it actually decreases the level of the hormone itself. So you don't want that. That isn't the case with LR3. LR3 is actually inhibiting a specific enzyme that makes it more bioavailable in the body. So now its half-life is 120x the amount into the bloodstream. So meaning growth hormone that's actually released is actually more bioavailability for longer. So a little bit of science with half-life is, let's just say a pharmaceutical or a medication, it only lasts in the body 8 hours. You got to take another capsule or tablet. So if its half-life is longer, you only have to take it once a day. Or if you're getting IV, let's just say chemotherapy, you're only using it once a week, every other week, once a month, because its half-life is so long. So if you're interested, IGF-1 LR3, 120x, it's more bioavailable to the body. So shop now. But here, last thing with IGF-1 LR3, you're only going to want to use it max 3 to 6 months. So consult with your doctor because it is so powerful and it is 120x. It can increase growth hormone levels drastically. So consult with your doctor.